Hey, hey, Dovey. Hey, Dovey. Are you building a nest right there? Are you building a nest by my window, Davy? Dovey? Huh? She is so cute. Look at her. Look at her. She is so cute. The dog. Look at her eyes. Okay, I've been seeing her here now for several days. She's building a nest, and I know when she's done with it, she's gonna start laying eggs, and then she's gonna hatch them. So I will keep updating you on the journey of this bird nesting. What should we call this bird? Should we call her Dovey, or should we call her Mary Bird? What do you want to be called, Dove? What do you want to be called? Tell me. Look at your eyes. What do you want to be called? Oh, she flew away. Good morning. So Lady Dove has been covering her eggs for the past 1 week. Look at her. She is so cute. And she's under the peach tree branches. Look at her nest. She has some eggs already. She has been covering them for the past 1 week. Hey, Dovey. Hey, Dovey. Good morning. How are you? Look at her eyes. Are you covering your eggs, Dovey? There's a peach fruit on top of her. Look at her. There's a peach fruit right there on top of her. Yes, our Dovey.